In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable your Wise tag or QR code on your Wise account. This feature makes sending and receiving money much faster and helps avoid mistakes when sharing payment details. To begin, open the Wise app on your phone or log into your Wise account using a web browser on your computer. Make sure you are signed in securely. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo or your initials. Tap or click on that to open your account settings. After opening your profile, you should see your Wise tag displayed on the screen. It usually appears in a format that starts with the @ symbol, followed by your unique name. This Wise tag works like a personal payment username, allowing others to send you money easily without needing your bank details. If your Wise tag is visible, it is already enabled. You can share it directly with others or let them scan your QR code to pay you. To access the QR code, simply tap on your Wise tag and the QR code will appear, ready to be scanned. If you do not see your Wise tag or QR code, make sure your Wise app is updated to the latest version. Refreshing the page or restarting the app can also help if the option does not appear right away. Using the QR code is very simple. Most smartphones can scan QR codes directly using the camera app. When someone scans your Wise QR code, it automatically opens Wise and prepares the payment, reducing errors and saving time. And that's it. Your Wise tag and QR code are now ready to use. These tools make payments quicker, safer, and more convenient for both personal and business transactions. Thanks for watching and enjoy easier payments with Wise.